Check out these insane animal fusions. Look out for the last one. First up, a panda fused with a lion. Fierce yet cuddly, blending the king's roar with the panda's gentle nature. Next we have Frieza fused with a falcon. Swift, ruthless, and soaring to new heights of power. Love these insane fusions. Hit like, subscribe for blessings and good vibes coming your way tomorrow. We have a panther fused with a python. Stealthy, agile, and deadly, striking with precision and power. And lastly, a spider fused with a bike. Fast, agile, and web slinging onto wheels.